Defining terminologies are of immense significance. It is easier to understand terminologies, but they are difficult to define. So in this video, we'll be dealing with the definitions related to general toxicology. The term toxicology refers to the science dealing with properties, actions, toxicity, fatal dose, detection and estimation of poisons, interpretation of the results of toxicological analysis, and also treatment of poisons. Forensic toxicology deals with both medical and legal aspects of the harmful effects of chemicals on human beings. Clinical toxicology deals with human diseases caused by or associated with abnormal exposure to chemical substances. The term toxinology refers to toxins produced by living organisms which are dangerous to man. For example, poisonous plants, the venom of snakes, spiders, bees, etc., and bacterial and fungal toxins. And poison is a substance in any form, either in solid, liquid, or gas, which, if introduced in the living body or brought into contact with any part thereof, will produce ill health and death. Then coming to the types of poisoning. Acute poisoning. This type of poisoning is caused by an excessive single dose or several doses of a poison taken over a short interval of time. Chronic poisoning. Unlike acute poisoning, it is caused by smaller doses over a period of time, resulting in gradual worsening. For example, arsenic, phosphorus, lead, and opium. Subacute poisoning shows features of both acute and chronic poisoning. And last is the fulminant poisoning. It is caused by massive dose of poison where death occurs rapidly, sometimes without preceding symptoms.